Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Chiran and you are watching ENK Learning. Let's start today's question. Show the city, company name, contact name from the customers and suppliers table merged together. You remember this point, merged together. Create a column which contains customers or suppliers depending on the table it comes from. So what we are doing is like we have two different tables, that is customers and suppliers, and we need to merge them. So how we can do that? We'll do that. We'll see. Select from which table? Let us take customers. From customers table, what are we selecting? City, company name, comma, contact name. And now from another table also in the same way, select city, company name. Let's check whether they are present or not. Yeah, city, company name, comma, contact name from the place table. So now what we need to do? They are mentioning that we need to merge the rows. We need to merge the two tables. See, till now we joined. That is, join means like the rows will be joined together. Like in this way. This is one table and this is one table, let's say. So they are sticking to each other. So this is how joining works. Now we need to merge. How we can merge is like, so let's take this is one table and we are joining another table in the bottom. So rows will increase, simply rows will increase. Total number of rows will increase. So this is how it works. But I would like to say that whenever we are merging two different tables, please remember that the number of columns in two tables must be same, as well as the data types too, because it doesn't make logic if you do not maintain the data types. Okay, it doesn't make any. So let's say in the first column, some of the rows were in data type of date, and second, and then some of the rows were in numeric. So how is that? How it makes sense? So it will not make sense, right? So you must take care of these two. So total number of columns must be same from two tables, as well as data types must be same respective to the each column. So let's say the column one is of date data type. So every in both tables it should be maintained. So this is how we need to do. So to merge that, we have a facility, that is union. So what union do is like it will merge two different tables. Okay. So now here even they mention an additional stuff, that is create a column which contains customers or suppliers depending on the table it comes from. So we need to add additional column. So to add that, we need to do this way. So generally we discussed in many times that in select we used to keep column names, right? So that's the reason. So the data from customers table is coming. So it directly means these are all customers as customers. Now come on, suppliers. So let's try running it. So we got correct query. Even you can see that here we can say city name, company name, contact name, customers. So there were some customers, there were some suppliers. So this is how it works. This is how union works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.